Everywhere you go, it's crypto this, crypto that. But you know what? Getting the hang of crypto is an absolute pain in the With my over 2 years stay in the crypto industry, I have gathered information that's going to take you from a complete crypto novice to an advanced crypto trader. However, let's keep it stupid simple. I don't want to bombard you with all the information in my repertoire. We are going to learn a wide range of stuff to do with crypto industry, from the crypto exchanges to purchase your first crypto, some of the best practices for securely storing your crypto, tools to use to do your own research before ever thinking of putting your money into crypto, and many other cool stuff like interacting with DeFi. Is your mouth salivating yet for this experience? Not yet. Let's find out then. You probably by now know that cryptocurrencies are forms of money. The only distinguishing factor they have with traditional aka fiat currencies is that they can only be stored digitally. You can never hold a physical Bitcoin like gold. So don't sweat it thinking of ever holding your Bitcoin in your physical wallet. Cryptocurrencies don't have a central issuing authority like the banks or government. It's a peer-to-peer system that enables anyone anywhere to send and receive payments using a public ledger known as blockchain. All you need is an internet connection. The first ever created crypto is Bitcoin in 2009, which has been dubbed the digital gold. Soon after, numerous crypto tokens have been created which are collectively known as altcoins, that is, alternatives to Bitcoin. Getting started. Never invest in what you don't understand unless you want to flush your money down the toilet. Take time to actually do research, understand the types of tokens to invest in, and the reputable crypto exchanges to leverage in purchasing those tokens. The two most essential tools to use to get all those necessary information are CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. All are the same, just choose your most preferred one. CoinGecko is a really handy tool when doing your research on the crypto tokens to invest with. In here you can see a list of cryptocurrencies based on by market cap or by new currencies. One of the best way to do your research is based by the market cap, so that you can see those tokens with the huge market caps, the middle market caps, and the small market caps. Going by the market caps, you can see Bitcoin is the #1 list here. We have the second one, Ethereum, and all these other tokens listed in here. Market cap is one of the essentials to do your research on a particular token. It's simply multiplying the total number of the tokens in the market with the price. You can see the price changes based on 1 hour, 24 hours, and 7 days. When just getting started to invest in crypto, the safest way to do it is just to stick with the crypto tokens in the top 100 list. CoinGecko also helps you to get those crypto exchanges to do your purchase. So you can see we have crypto exchanges, decentralized exchanges, and the derivatives. When you just want to know some of the reputable exchanges in the market, using CoinGecko will really be handy for you. Here the crypto exchanges are ranked based on the trust scores. So we have the first one in the list is Coinbase, second one is Huobi, Bybit, KUCOIN. I'm really wondering why Binance has been pushed to number 7. Earlier on it was number 1 in the list, but maybe there's something in the market that's making it to go to the number 7 list. So in here you can see the trust score 10, 10, Binance 9, and then Crypto.com 9. Now that you've done the homework of doing research on what to actually to invest in, it's now time to invest. It's action time. Have a clear decision of the amount you are willing to invest in the crypto market. Set with that. Cool. But wait, how do we really do the investing? This is where you need the crypto exchanges. Some of the best crypto exchanges out there to make your crypto purchase are Binance and Bybit. Links to this can be found in the description. You'll also find my Bybit exchange video in the description. Oh, I see. You want an in-depth guide on Binance. Then, remember to subscribe to the channel and have that bell icon turned on to get notified when the Binance video finally drops. When just getting started to trade the crypto market, understanding the Binance app can really be so daunting. That's why I'm going to show you how to use the Binance Lite. We have two versions of Binance. We have Binance Lite and Binance Pro. For those guys just getting started into crypto industry, it's best that you just go with the Binance Lite app. This one is really simple to understand. So to access it, you just need to click this icon here, and now you can see on my Binance app, I'm actually on the Binance Pro. So to change to Binance Lite, just toggle this one off, and voila, now you can see you are using the Binance Lite app. Everything is now simple in here. We have here the market. We can see the coins, the hot tokens. First one, you have BNB, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Pepe. That's one of the shit coins out there in the market, like Shiba Inu and many other tokens. You can also go and see these tokens based on the market cap. So we can see Bitcoin being the first one, Ethereum, the same way they go down there, and you can also see based on their prices. So in here, the most essential thing is to know how to view your wallet and see now your asset allocations in the market. Now it's time to buy your first crypto. So how do you do it? Just click the exchange button, and now you can see the buy icon here. You can also sell in case you have some with you. Remember, you're just a crypto trader coming here the first time. So you just click the buy icon and choose your token that you do want to purchase. You do want to buy USDT. This is just a crypto token mimicking the dollar value in the real world assets. It's pegged 1-to-1 ratio with the US dollar. So when you want to buy the USDT, you can either search it here and get it. I already have it popping up. So once you just click it, now it will bring you to the page to put your price. Let's say I want to buy for $10. Once I just click the amount, then I go and initiate the buying. It allows me to use some of the payment methods here in Kenya. I have M-Pesa, Paybill, and M-Pesa Kenya. This is Safaricom. Each one of you will now have your payment methods based on your country. Remember, this one is allowing me to use M-Pesa because I am a Kenyan. You can also go with Google Pay in case you already have your Google Pay set up. And also Binance allows you to use your bank card. So you can just link your bank card with Binance and do those bank transfer to Binance. And now once the fund is received into Binance, you can now start your purchase. When I just click the refresh price, because price has already changed, and then I confirm, it will now place an order for me with people trading on the P2P on Binance. So this is the easiest way to do your trades. If at all you are here in Kenya, just go and put that order. It will now pair you with some of the traders in the market. You want to be sending them the Kenyan currency, and then they will release you those USDT into your wallet. If at all you don't know how to do this part, I'll be making a better video on how to go in depth with Binance, the P2P, how to trade, how to also use the Binance Pro app to be even a better trader on Binance. So because I don't want to take this trade, I'll just cancel the order. So that's it. That's the easiest way to actually do your purchase using the Binance app. You can also use this conversion, where in case you have some USDT and you want to convert to another crypto token, either BTC or these other ones listed in here. Remember, we always say you do your research first. We have the CoinGecko and CoinMarket app. Then you can now go ahead and convert that USDT to the token that you want. Not your keys, not your crypto. By storing your cryptos in central exchanges like Binance, it means that they get hold of your keys. Technically, you are not the owner of those tokens. If Binance was to go under, you'd lose all your cryptos. Same thing that happened with FTX, BlockFi, and Voyager. It's very important that you keep your crypto tokens off the exchanges once bought. That's where hot wallets and cold wallets come in. Hot wallets use online software to protect the private keys to your assets. Examples of these are Trust Wallet, Metamask, and Token Pocket. On the other hand, cold wallets, also known as hardware wallets, rely on offline electronic devices to securely store your private keys. These are deemed the most secure wallets for crypto storage. Some well-established brands include Ledger and Trezor. If you are looking to get hold of Ledger Nano S or Ledger Nano X wallet, then using my link in the description will get you a discounted price for your purchase. In case you are using Metamask Chrome extension, then using chainlist.org will actually be helpful to you to add different networks into your Metamask. So once you come to Chainlist, you just click here to add your network, then it will take you to GitHub and get the list of those networks. Here are the list of the different networks that you can actually add to your Metamask. You have the first one, Ethereum, Expanse Network, and all these ones in here. So just click it, it will automatically initiate the transaction into your Metamask, then click go next and actually connect. For me, I already have Ethereum network added to my wallet, so I don't want to add another one. So that's the way to actually add it in here. So you can see the different network that I already have here with me: Ethereum, Huobi, KUCOIN, Metis, Arbitrum, Polygon, and all these other ones. Another way to do it is just search on Google and get the RPC and all the information. Once you get those information, you can now go directly to your Metamask wallet, the app, and add it on Metamask. So you do want to come to the settings part, go down and get the networks, then click on add custom networks. From Google you'll get all this information, the network, the RPC, the chain ID, the symbol, the block explorer. If at all it's confusing for you, I already have a video going in-depth review about Metamask. You can just get that one in the description and go see how to easily do this part. When talking about cryptocurrencies, we are all about decentralization. It's needless to say that you should learn how to use DeFi, simply decentralized finance in full. Purchases from exchanges like Binance are centrally controlled, yet that's what we don't want in the crypto industry. To interact with DeFi, all you need is your hot wallet like Metamask and fund with some crypto tokens. The chain network is always important to keep in mind since you have to pay gas fees. That's where DeFi Llama is really handy in doing your research on the various chains to use. Some of the cheapest chains to use on DeFi are Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and Phantom. Ethereum chain is far the most expensive one to interact with due to network congestion, slow speed, and also because it uses proof of work consensus mechanisms instead of proof of stake. You really do want to keep off Ethereum chain when just getting started. Within DeFi Llama, you can easily get information on some of the protocols to associate with in DeFi, like DEXs, lending protocols, and more. DeFi Llama is a very great tool when you want to do research on the DeFi protocols to interact with on blockchain industry. From here, you can just click the three icon there. Then from the DeFi part, just click it to see the chains that are being offered here by DeFi Llama. There's a long list of chains that are being offered here for you with DeFi Llama. We have the first one, Ethereum, Tron, BSC, Arbitrum, Avalanche. So for you who wants to get started, everything here is very easy for you put together so that you can easily get started with DeFi investing. In case we click the Ethereum network, you can now see a list of protocols being offered here for us on the Ethereum network. They are listed based on the TVL we have with each of these protocols. So Lido comes first with the highest TVL, 12.21 billion total value locked. But remember, we said that Ethereum network will be very expensive for just a crypto starters. You'll actually be losing much money to the Ethereum network just for gases. So we do want to go and see another network. So one of my best networks is BSC or the Polygon, but just going with BSC network. Voila, now we have some of the protocols being offered here on BSC. The first one is PancakeSwap. This is just crypto exchange, but the DEX one. We have Venus, which is a lending protocol, Alpaca, BuySwap, PinkCell, and all these ones. We just want to go and see how to interact with PancakeSwap. So we just click it, let it load. So we can see some details on PancakeSwap, the TVL. We have some graphs there, but we now want to go and interact with it directly. So what do we do? Very easy. We have the website here. You don't want to be clicking on websites that will be scamming you your money, so it's best that you do click the website directly from DeFi Llama. So once we click it, it will allow us to interact with PancakeSwap using our Metamask. In here we can do trading, we can earn, we can win. Winning is just doing some lottery. You can also buy NFT using PancakeSwap. So we just want to go to the trading part, and we can see there's swapping, there's liquidity, perpetual, bridging over to other networks from BSC network. You can also do limit orders. Limit orders is setting a fixed price that you do want to purchase or sell a particular crypto token. So when you go with swap, this is the simplest form of trading on DEXs. So in here you'll first need BNB. Remember, you bought some BNB from Binance or Bybit or any other crypto exchange that we've seen in the video. Send that BNB over to your Metamask wallet, and then now you come and interact with PancakeSwap. So we are all here into the DeFi world, not from any other centrally controlled exchanges. PancakeSwap is a DEX. There's no any other person controlling it. So you'll need that BNB, the BSC network chain, in order to do those crypto trades with PancakeSwap. This to mean that you'll be using the BNBs to pay for the gas fees. So when you just want to now trade, you pick your crypto token to convert your BNB to. So we have here by default it's Cake, but we can actually choose many other tokens that are being offered in here. You can see there's BTCB, that is just Bitcoin on the Binance Smart Chain, and the list is very long. You can't go with all of these ones, but let's pick one to see. Example, what's one of my best tokens out here in the market so far? I don't really like meme coins, but now one of my best tokens so far. Once in crypto, always in crypto. Cindy Majama. I think I'll just go with Bitcoin. Yep, so we have Bitcoin here. So one of the cool features with PancakeSwap, just it allows you to actually change your slippage. Slippage is the price discrepancy that you'll actually be paying to do those trades. So once you click here, we can actually have a slippage of 0.1%, 0.5, 1%, and also choose a custom one. You can either put 10%, but let's go with 0.5%. And how much do I want? Let's say I put 25% of my BNB. Yep, it's here now. I can do the swapping. I just click that one. Now everything here will come and then confirm swap. Once I do that, I have to go and finish the transaction over here to Metamask. Should I not? For the video, guys, let's do this. Let's confirm this. Yep, now we have Bitcoins here into our wallet. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's pending. Yep, we have some BTC over here. So in case you don't see those tokens into your wallet, but you know it's there. So one of the things that you can do, I've realized Metamask, it's very simple to actually have those tokens showing into your wallet. So just go to your Metamask. Hurry up, mother. Oh my god, this one is taking forever. Okay, so now we are here on Metamask, and now you can see Metamask is telling me that one new token is found in this account. So it's already automatically detected that there's some tokens not showing here. Okay, now I just click this one, and now I import that one. Voila, now see I have some Bitcoins here with me. 0.0000. Oh, this one is too many zeros, but I have some Bitcoins here, and yeah, the price is not reflecting already. So you can see it's very simple to do that one. Another thing that you can do over here in PancakeSwap is adding liquidity. I think now I'm going overboard towards actually best for someone who's just getting started on the crypto market. Let's leave alone that LP part, the liquidity. So just know how to trade over in PancakeSwap and actually not relying on the centralized crypto exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, because these ones are not really much secure. But with just the DEX part, you are very safe. There's no one who can actually steal your money. After grasping all these techniques that have taken me more than 2 years to have in my repertoire, you'll be more of a crypto newbie on your way to being an advanced crypto investor. All you have to do is take action each day to interact with the crypto world. Build an action-biased mindset to start seeing progress. If this information have been of value to you, then you will surely appreciate my Patreon page, where there is even more offered, like the books I read and forex trading. All you have to do is join us through the link in the description. Kuna pesa kushinda babako. Niko na pesa kushinda babako, siulie. Cry.